As summer camps are hit with COVID-19 outbreaks nationwide, the Minnesota Department of Health says that there's only been one outbreak reported so far in summer camps in the entire state in a family camp.
ABC 6 News reporter Mackenzie Davis is here to show us why Minnesota is doing so well keeping summer campers and staff safe. Mackenzie?
Ross and Laura, over the past 2 weeks, Minnesota has seen case numbers declining and test positivity rates have been going down. So MDH says we're in a good place in terms of what is circulating within the state. There is a team with MDH that has worked extensively with the American Camp Association over this past year to bring kids back to camps across the state safely.
What we're seeing globally and nationally is that there is increasing activity happening.
It's the low community spread that is happening in these camps, as well as the layered mitigation strategies, from reduced overnight camp sizes to extra cleaning and sanitation.
What is Minnesota doing that's right?
We actually have been doing outreach to camps, and we have someone specifically who's been doing that.
It's these summer camps like at Eagle Bluff Environmental Learning Center that have structure.
They have a fair amount of structure to them, and that can help with mitigation.
And the mitigation efforts start even before the camps themselves start.
We ask parents to monitor the students' temperatures and health for 2 weeks prior to coming here.
And most camp activities are held outside.
Most of the things we do are outdoors, and I think there you're not seeing the spread, so.
Like the horse camps for kids at Ironwood Springs Christian Ranch. Last summer, the class sizes had to be cut in half to limit the amount of kids in a group, but this summer
We've had to keep adding horse camps. We keep getting a waiting list, so we keep adding them.
And the same is happening at Eagle Bluff. They are seeing high numbers of students signing up for camps.
In terms of demand, most camps were sold out pretty early on, and we had a long waiting list for each one. So, we've seen the demand from parents is really high.
And now looking to the fall when school starts.
It's really difficult to say what may come for fall.
But the camps are optimistic both for their students and for schools.
I think we feel cautiously optimistic about the fall. I think, there's a demand from parents and teachers to get kids back in the classroom and do whatever it takes to make that happen safely.
Now, although we do not have a vaccine for kids under the age of 12, MDH says the hope is by early fall that vaccines could be available, which will help make a difference in the school setting. Ross and Laura.